chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation, just a little while now? A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation, just a little while now? A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easier. Follow me into the night, without you I'm falling deeper. Stay a bit longer, I just need you to, I just need you to. Stay a bit longer, I just need you to. Can I be around you for motivation, just a little while now? A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation, just a little while now? A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if
Hello everyone, thanks so much for watching and sticking around to the end of the video. I'm gonna edit a couple photos from this shoot. And first of all, the white balance I changed to the daylight white balance for the A7 III. So you can try it out. Basically just that setting that was different than the other settings. And because I like the warmer skin tone for the Sony, and then because the auto white balance sometimes it has some weird tint in it, so that's why I chose this one. So let's get started. I'm gonna do a crop 4x5 first. So this is the RNI film app from the App Store, Apple App Store. So if you have the Apple App Store, you can use this one. And previously I used the Visco. If you don't have Apple phone, you can use Visco also, so it's the same thing. Just do some quick edit on my phone. Usually it takes about 3 minutes per photo, so it's pretty quick. So first of all, I'm gonna crop it like that, leave it the top third at some space, so increase some contrast. I can use different type of film also. So the one that I'm using right now is the, let me scroll to this one, Superior 200. So it's too much. I can just use slightly a little bit like that, and then highlight save, just reduce a little bit, increase the sharpening, and then basically that's it. Just some minor adjustment. I can reduce the crop a little bit more. So just make sure that the balance from the foreground is also like the foreground of the flower should be part of the foreground as well. So let me save this one and then let me do another one. So you can see that it said use last edit, so I can just use the last edit as the base and then slightly adjust based on different location. I can leave the brightness right here. You can see that the lines in the background is not very aligned parallelly, so I just adjust the tilt a little bit, just slightly, and then do a 4:5 crop for the Instagram, slightly like that. Make sure the head is around the top third area just for the composition purpose. Sometimes you can practice this with some old photos, so this will help you do the composition on the fly as well. So the last shot I'm gonna modify is this one, so let me slightly reduce the brightness a little bit, maybe just -9, so that it has some nice tone in it. Do the 4:5 crop. You can do it like here. Okay, so the right hand side still have more room, so let me adjust the cropping. So okay, so that's good. And then let me save one like this and then save one with the let me go back. This got increased a little bit, so save one with the brightness a little bit. So yeah, that's the update for this shoot. The first thing updated was the white balance straight out of the camera. I used the sunlight white balance, and I edited using the RNI app for these 3 photos. So just want to show you some process of the editing of this shoot as well, so just to give you some background context. Yep, that's it for today, and thanks so much for watching the video, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.